What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at this 2017 Toyota Sienna sunroof assembly. So you guys get a chance to see what it looks like underneath the headliner. Simple setup, nothing really too complicated about it. You can see your drain hoses there. I got them disconnected because they're in the process of being removed. The front sunroof assembly. This particular customer was complaining about water leaking inside and staining their headliner. A lot of people will often mistaken this concern for a clogged drain tube, but in reality it's the sunroof mechanism or the sunroof assembly itself that's causing the leak, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. Right there you can see the front drain tube is connected to that brown hose that you see kind of running down the A pillar, and then it makes its way down to the rear tube, and then that tube connects to the rear sunroof assembly. You see how they kind of join them together, and then water continue leaking and passing through all the way in the back. Now that system is designed that way because that's how they run the drain to leak and pass water through the outside of the vehicle. You can see some of your AC vents kind of right there. You can see the other drain tube for the driver's side. And that bag kind of material you guys see running alongside the roof, that's your curtain shield airbag. So in case of an accident, the computer will determine whether it needs to deploy that or not. And trust me, once it's deployed, it's not fun. Here's an example of how it looks when it's deployed. That's actually my wife's Highlander. We actually got in an accident a few months ago and the curtain shield airbag deployed. This is how it looks. It's not fun to get hit by one of those, man. This is where it pretty much leaks. You see how there's like a silicone kind of like sealant material kind of joining the two materials, the aluminum and that steel material. That's oftentimes where the leak occurs. People mistaking it for a clogged drain tube. They will blow some air through the drains, trying to unclog the drain. A lot of times that's what it is, but this is an area you definitely want to inspect. But that's where the customer's water leak was coming from. Over time, that sealant starts to kind of wear out, so when water's sitting on the sunroof tray, it still leaks through the drain, but it gets past that sealant and bond. And these are the bolts to kind of remove the tray assembly, the sunroof assembly. And just a few 10 millimeters going all the way around. And that's the sunroof motor right there for the front. It's a pretty simple setup, but when diagnosing it for a leak, a lot of people overlook and don't often check that. So this is what we're replacing right here in the Sienna. So if you ever get a water leak concern, guys, just be mindful to check for that little sealant area. And if you have a Sienna like this, let me know if you ever had this problem. And of course, the sunroof assembly is not cheap, so definitely give it a shot trying to blow out that drain tube and the drain passages out with some compressed air first before suspecting the sunroof assembly. Hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.